Good morning, 7 a.m. here, just cutting some chicken heart.
To środka.
Loads of them, duże, nie?
For Flaki.
For Flaki.
Yeah, oh.
Today we're making Flaki.
Kurczą.
From chicken.
Uh-huh. Today making Flaki from chicken hearts. We'll be tasting it later. So it's all cut up now and ready to make into the Flaki. Just cleaning out a couple of pans for him. And we'll start preparing the Zupa. In the kettle? Yeah. Okay. There's some warm water in the kettle. Put some liquid. Mietowy, mint liquid, mint washing up liquid, and some warm water from the kettle, washing the pan out. And then we'll start to make the Zupa. The hearts are there, the serce, the chopnik, krosnek is chopped, czosnek is chopped. We'll take later. Oh, marchewki?
O, ja ten,
Okay.
a to nie...
Just chopping some carrots, marchewki. There's some parsley and leeks in there. Slowly ready for the soup. Dziękuję bardzo. Proszę, daj mi chleb, proszę.
Nie mówi po angielsku.
Co?
Daj mi trochę chleb, tak. Here we are, the soup is served.
Serca?
Wow, serce soup. How does it smell?
Nieładnie? Pachnie dobrze?
Smells like chicken,
Nie.
so it should because it's the chicken hearts. I think some of it. I think that is normal chicken, yeah.
Tak,
And this is the
chicken
heart.
mieszany z sercem.
Okay.
Ciemny to jest heart.
So I'm gonna try it. I'm just waiting for some bread to arrive. How's that for a loaf of bread? Super. Dziękuję.
O nie!
Oh, sorry. I can cut it out if you don't want. Okay. Dziękuję. Okay, we've got some bread.
Moją twarz.
Okay, it's time to try it. Here we go. I'll have a piece of the heart first. Yeah?
On shake so much.
Here we go. Pyszne, dziękuję. Bardzo smaczne. Very nice. Oh. Different flavour. It's quite chewy.
Yeah.
Quite chewy and a bit stronger than chicken flavour, no? Very nice.
Yeah?
You gonna try it, Lily?
Teraz jak to? Składniki.
That's the recipe.
Just part of it.
This is part of the recipe. There we go. That's how to make it. So very good. Serce Zupa, chicken heart super, very nice. Another course has just arrived, chicken. Enjoying the soup, Evelina?
Very much.
Yeah?
Yes.
How about you? You like it?
Finished.
Wow, Malvina's finished first. Malvina finished.
Little.
Jeszcze raz.
No, no.
I'm still going. There you go, love.
O, dam, no. Tylko muszę zjeść najpierw.
Ja mam to... Jutro ja będę zdjęcia robił.
Dobre?